out of line. Every day up out on the freeway, sending me away to burn. How do we exit the matrix? Pull the plug on the show in our heads. Turn down every part up in it, till the room goes quiet instead. I wanna feel hungry for her, not something I was fed last night. Teach me how to leave this maze, walk out of the wall in the that was meditating right. Teacher, preacher, pretty stranger, wrote it on my fragile spine. But I feel back, your grass cold under my toe. Breathing like I'm radiation hell, watching my own thinking. So how do we exit the matrix? Pull the plug on the show and I'll kiss. Turn down every bar pin, till the lone goes quiet instead. Don't wanna feel one real flow, that's something I was fed last time. Teach me how to leave this maze, walk out of the war in my mind. Maybe we don't burst up, maybe we just step aside. Ain't each little goes as it passes by. Baby, it's just moment, job to swan. Live the whole, turning every time's words into my own, my own, my own, my own. This is how I exit the matrix, one breath, one doubt at a time. And back every heavy story that it was never real anymore. One God, one live for, like a candle in the night. Every time I lose that flame, I'll find my way back out of the war in my mind.